Also, another thing to keep in mind is taking the cover off. When you take the cover off, do not set it up and down. Lay it flat on the floor, on top of a towel or something. You don't want to break your lid. But in the top, there is an overflow tube, and we'll show you that. Okay, in the toilet you have your ball cock, which is where the water stops, and you have an overflow tube. In a toilet that has a lot of lime and a lot of rust, you're going to want to take and pour some of the leftover Delimer down inside this tube. And you don't have to worry about it corroding too much because you don't put in this acidic mixture very often. But you pour that down in there, and that clears out any lime that's down in the insides of the toilet where any minerals have developed that were dissolved in the water, or any rust. So don't forget to drip a little bit down in there, probably about a cup.